Catch the wave of the future with the latest in Internet of Things technology. Imagine a world where your coffee maker knows when you wake up, your lights dim based on the sunset, and your city's infrastructure communicates to reduce traffic. Sounds like science fiction? Welcome to the reality of IoT. Everyday objects and devices are now smart, connected, and interactive. From your toothbrush to your car, everything can be linked to the internet, paving the way for smart homes, cities, and industries. Why is this important? Because it's not just about convenience. It's about efficiency, sustainability, and creating a world that works in harmony with technology. Imagine cities that adapt to reduce pollution, industries that optimize to save resources, and homes that learn to keep us healthy and comfortable. This is the power of IoT, and it's changing the way we live, work, and play. It's an exciting time to be alive, and we're just getting started. So keep your eyes open, stay curious, and embrace the future, because the future is IoT.